Only 20 minutes from Taos, 12 Mill Road offers low-maintenance forest living in desirable VALLI Escondido. Owned by one family since 1967, the house was completely renovated and expanded in 2009 to include all new mechanicals, wiring, and plumbing. Immaculately maintained property offers comfortable amenities in a private location while surrounded by national forest. Bright living room with vaulted tongue and grooved 13-foot ceilings and open floor plan. Features access to deck, dining area, and kitchen. Comfortable kitchen has eat-in bar and lots of windows. Spacious split master bedroom with vaulted ceiling. Opens into an ensuite bath with jetted tub, separate shower, and cedar-lined walk-in closet. Guest bedroom with vaulted ceiling offers private space near shared guest bathroom. Lower level with separate access has 600 heated square feet of workshop, storage, and mechanical room with easy access to plumbing and electrical. 500 square feet of bonus space next to mechanical area with separate outdoor access could easily be converted to apartment, studio, or guest quarters. Beautiful, no-maintenance Trex balcony off living room provides outdoor dining and entertaining space overlooking forest and valley views. Tuff Shed offers outdoor storage and houses wired Generac 5500 generator, fiber optic internet, and cell service on site. Ample guest parking with circle drive for easy access. Elevated site offers beautiful views of the first green and the valley. VALLI Escondido is a Firewise community of full-time and part-time owners between Taos and Angel Fire, off U.S. Highway 64, Enchanted Circle Scenic Drive, providing community water system, road maintenance, snow plowing, 9-hole golf course, clubhouse, restaurant, bar, outdoor swimming pool, and private fishing lake, a comfortable and safe mountain retreat area for vacationers and residents who value mountain living.